A multifunctional in-car power station Baseus in-car Inverter 150W. 150W high power maximum 150W rated output can offer power supply to multiple devices at the same time, safe and stable. Multiple safety protections: overcharge protection, short circuit protection, turn-off protection, overload protection, over voltage protection, under voltage protection, electric shock protection, overheat protection, shock protection. Strict quality control, pass multiple international certifications. Due to the PFC circuit in some phone chargers with over 65W rated output power, the protection of the inverter may be enabled in advance. Universal for 12 volts car models, applicable to all vehicles, including diesel and gasoline vehicles. Silent cooling fans, excellent heat dissipation, safe to use. Dual AC output for charging small current appliances, digital devices, emergency power supply for devices with rated power under 150W for daily use. Power output is less than or equal to 150W. Power output is less than or equal to 30W. Power output is less than or equal to 30W. Total output, 180W, max.